We never, ever, 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 ever kick our followers' foot to make them go for a slide. You know why? Because some techniques changed and we do not use those violent techniques from old times anymore. If you want to know the proper technique for the simple bachata move, watch this video. How I'm starting my movement is with rompe, break forward, and rotation, because I want to give myself ample time to prepare myself with a knee that will block the coming of her other non-supported leg. We start on count of 1. We go rompo, 1, 2. By 3, as I will rotate halfway over there, I will make a bigger step, so she would be kind of invited to take longer time to bring her other foot together. I will open, and by the time she brings her foot together, my knee is already there, blocking her feet from coming together. Now, here I will bring her immediately to the bolero. After bolero, I start melting down. There's no need to kick your follower in the foot. So we start melting, and the moment we begin melting, my left foot, her right foot, my left foot is gonna push me, but because my frame moves with me, she will feel the urge, the energy coming from the ground that is resonating from my frame, or in my frame. So we are here. We grew. In our bolero, we are totally upwards, but we are not ballooning, guys. Make sure that you are grounded on the floor. So my feet are actively pushing me off the ground. My abs are extending in both directions, up and down. Now I start releasing this tension as I start melting. My knees soften. My body, overall posture, softens, but it doesn't collapse. So as we soften, like melting, my foot is going to push us this direction. My right, her left. We go push. And this sliding of the upper body, this melting of the upper body is an after effect, because upper body is a follower. Many of you have experienced this slide when a leader just sticks their foot between the follower's feet and kicks the free foot out. This is not only rough, this is absolutely unnecessary. Bigger mistake that I see, besides the kicking of the foot, is people trying to actively bend their upper body as they step. Again, maybe at some point, 200 years ago, this was okay. Nowadays, no. There's a new technique that is better. Again, as we rise into our bolero and as we melt down, we relax our upper body just a bit, and we use our legs as a leader to push us. Boom. And we're super grounded and we're super fluid. Want more tutorials like this? Subscribe to my weekly breakdowns. I'll see you there. Every technique we use in dancing can evolve and change, and it's very important that we understand something that we learned some 10 years ago might be actually ineffective in our modern day partner dancing. So as long as you have this flexibility in your mind and don't stick to something that is outdated, you can always change and become a better dancer. Get ready with basic rompe coming next. And 1, 2, and up. Relax, push the floor. Basic 1, 2, 3. One more time, rompe, let's go. And 1, 2, and up, block the knee, and slide. Basic 1, 2, few more times. Get ready, rompe. 1, 2, up, relax and push the floor. Maintain your frame, guys. Get ready, rompe. And 1, and rotate, and slide. One more basic, very good. Let's go, rompe, again. 1, 2, and up. Relax and push the floor. There you go. Save this video so you get to practice every day. That's it for today's classes. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you know when the next videos are uploaded. Bachatuyo signing out. See you on the dance floor. Mwah.